How to add Doordash to CarPlay. Now, basically, CarPlay is an Apple technology that allows you to use a simplified and driver-friendly version of your iPhone on your car's built-in display. So the setting that we will be going out would actually be all the same whether you're using an Android or whether you're using an iPhone device. So all I have to do at first is just simply tap and hold on DoorDash application or even on the Dasher app. Tap and hold, and then simply go to the eye icon, which will redirect you to a DoorDash or Dasher app info. Now, all you have to do from here is just go into permissions and make sure that all these functions are allowed, like camera, contacts, location, notifications, and phone, and so on and so forth. But with iPhone, make sure that a floating application from DoorDash or Dasher application is enabled so that if you access CarPlay on your car display, DoorDash or Dasher will automatically detect. And that's how you add DoorDash to CarPlay.